Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Nersus Media. Myself Mallikarjuna Nersu and I am sharing the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis and Nifty analysis for tomorrow on daily basis. So first of all, I would like to request all the viewers to stay in the video till end for to know the exact levels of the Bank Nifty levels and Nifty levels, at which level you have to take the trade, at which level you have to exit, what is the Bank Nifty target and what is the Nifty target, to know the exact levels and what the instructions has to take the at that level. For to know all the things, you should watch all the video till end. If you feel this video is helpful, if you feel my views are helpful to you, if you feel you are making profit on my views, if you feel this video will help others without paying any penny to the tip providers, yes, if you feel I'm genuine, then I request you to please subscribe to our channel, click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe to get the notifications when I post the updates, and share this video to all your network and make me available, make me reachable to all the traders who are looking for the tips, who are looking for the levels, on which level we have to trade, so that you will help them to take the profit from the trading. Okay, I'm so grateful to you if you have shared this video to your network. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon once you get the subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for understanding. So guys, let's jump into the market. Today Nifty 50 has gained 76 points, which is of 0.53%, and has ended at 14,581 points. And Nifty Bank has gained 341 points, which is of 1.07%, and has ended at 32,112 points. Nifty Next 50 has gained 209 points. Nifty Mid Cap has lost 34 points. Nifty Financial Services has gained 178 points, which is of 1.17%, and has ended at 15,387 points. If you see the advances and declines under the Nifty 50, there are 28 advances and 22 declines under the Nifty 50 for today, that is of 15th April 2021. Let us see who are the top 5 gainers and losers under the Nifty 50 for today are. Top 5 gainers under the Nifty 50 for today are: TCS has gained 3.96%, Wipro has gained 3.52%, Cipla has gained 3.25%, ONGC has gained 2.84%, ICICI Bank has gained 2.70%. If you see the top 5 losers under the Nifty 50 for today are: Grasim has lost 3.10%, HM Motors has lost 3%, Maruti has lost 2.54%, Infi has lost 2.42%, IndusInd Bank has lost 2.10%. These are the top 5 gainers and losers under the Nifty 50 for today, that is of 15th April 2021. Let us see who has major contributor for the upside movement of the Bank Nifty today, which is of 341 points. So out of 341 points, HDFC Bank has contributed 238 points for the upside of the Bank Nifty today. ICICI Bank has contributed 190 points for the upside of the Bank Nifty today. Axis Bank has contributed 36 points. SBI has contributed 10 points for the upside of the Bank Nifty today. And at the same time, there are bank sector is not that much of strong. So the Bank Nifty has gained only 1% today, which is a major contribution given by the HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So in this case, I would like to remind you, if you are unpredictable about the trend of the Bank Nifty on that particular trading day, you can check the HDFC Bank trend and ICICI Bank trend. So based on this trend, if HDFC Bank is upside and ICICI Bank is in uptrend, then Bank Nifty will also be in uptrend. If HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are in downtrend, then Bank Nifty will also be in downtrend. If HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank are in sideways, most probably Bank Nifty will also be in the sideways. So this is a keynote. Whenever you are trading, you just keep this point in your mind so that you will be able to guess what the trend of the Bank Nifty if you are predictable at any particular point of time and that particular trading day. So hope you guys understand. Thank you. Thanks for understanding. So now let me share the results of the given views yesterday for today's trade. So on 13th of April, Bank Nifty was closed at 14,525 points, and today Bank Nifty was opened at 14,522 points, and I have given the buy call at 14,568. It made a high of 14,565, and our buy call was not triggered here. And here our sell call was triggered in our second candle from 930 to 945. So I have given the sell call at 14,475, and it made a low of 14,355. 125 points was gained. Hope you guys book 475 to 355. 120 points has gained. If you have booked, hope you guys book at least 100 points, 50 points, 70 points, 60 points in our sell call, sell view, which was given for today's trade under the Nifty 50. And there is a sideways was happened between from 11:45 to 1 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock. So and then it bounces back, and our buy call was triggered at 3 o'clock to 3:15. So I have given the buy call at 14,575, so 568, and it was triggered here, and it made a high of 14,596. Yeah, hope you guys book your profit. If you are not taken a at least 30 points was booked here. If you are not taken, it's okay, but here we have gained 100 points here in the Nifty today. Yes, now let me share the Bank Nifty results of given views yesterday for today's trade. So Bank Nifty on 13th of April, Bank Nifty was closed at 431,760, and today it was opened at 31,929, and I have given the buy call at 31,870, 850. So just a minute, and it was opened at 929, 31,929. So let us expect we have taken the buy call at 31,940, which is our next target. So from 31,940 to it made a high of 32,110. So almost 180 points. Hope you guys book at least 100 points, 50 points, 30 points, 150 points, 120 points in our Bank Nifty call today. And I have given the sell call also at 31,640. So it was triggered here. I have given the sell call at 31,590. So our sell call was triggered here. Just a minute. So here at from 10 o'clock it was triggered here, 10:15 to 10:30 candle. So it made a low of 31,406 from 31,600, 648. So from here to here, almost 200 points. Hope you guys book at least 200 points here, and here 200 points, and here 200 points. It's almost, yeah, 400 points. And again our buy call was also triggered here at 31,840. So here at 31,840 it was triggered here, and it made a high of 32,179 from 31,840. So 160 plus here 160, 360 points, almost 4 and 360 points. Hope you guys book at least 300 points, 100 to 100 points, 200 points, 150 points in your now reviews, which was given yesterday for today's trade under the Bank Nifty. Hope you guys all are in green. Yes. If you have any queries, I request you to please mention the same in the comment section so that I will reply to you back as early as possible. Okay, so now let me share the Nifty analysis for tomorrow, that is of 17th 16th April 2021. So now let me share the Nifty prediction for tomorrow with Nifty analysis for tomorrow, that is of 16th April 2021. So today Nifty 50 was closed at 14,582 points. So our buy call will be activated at 14,640 for the Nifty target of 14,660, 14,690, 14,710, 14,730, 14,760, 14,790, 14,840, 14,890, 14,920, 14,950 and 14,980, and the final Nifty target of 15,010. These are the Nifty targets for tomorrow. Okay, and you must be very careful between 14,800 840. So there may be chance of getting reversal from here, and here also you should be very careful from 14,700 to 14,750. So now let me share the Nifty tomorrow prediction with Nifty analysis for tomorrow for the downtrend of the Nifty, that is of 16th April 2021. So our sell call will be activated at 14,540 for the Nifty target of 14,500, for the Nifty target of 14,480, 14,440, 14,410, 14,390, 14,350, 14,290, 14,260, 14,200, 14,171, 14,088, and the final Nifty target of 14,020. These are the Nifty targets for tomorrow. So these are the Nifty analysis for tomorrow with Nifty prediction for tomorrow. So hope you guys noted down the levels. If you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and note down the levels. Be strict to the levels which was given in the video, and don't be hurry. Whenever the level was triggered, then only you can take the buy call date, then only you can enter into the trade. Till then, don't buy any trade. Okay, and don't lose your capital. Always be strict to levels and exit whatever the profit you got. Don't wait till it reaches to the high of the trade, high of the index or anything. Okay, hope you guys understand. So now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis would be. So today Bank Nifty was closed at 32,153. So our Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction with Bank Nifty analysis would be, our buy call will be activated at 32,300 for the Bank Nifty target of 32,350, for the Bank Nifty target of 32,575, 32,714, 32,815, 32,977, 33,170, 33,290, 33,410, and 33,530. So once again I'm saying our buy call will be activated at 32,300 for the Bank Nifty target of 32,350, 32,560, 32,700, 32,810, 32,960, 33,160, 33,290, 33,390, 33,517. These are the Bank Nifty targets for tomorrow for the uptrend of the Bank Nifty. So now let me share the Bank Nifty tomorrow prediction, Bank Nifty analysis for the downtrend of the Bank Nifty. So once if the downtrend has continues on the bank nifty, so our sell call will be activated at 31,960 for the bank nifty target of 31,900, for the bank nifty target of 31,720, 31,480, 31,310, 31,207, 31,038, 3840, 3760, 3600, 3480, 3333, 3129, 29,900, 29,770, 29,500. Yeah, so hope you guys noted down these levels. If you are not noted down, I request you to please replay this video and note down the levels, be strict to the levels which was given in the video. Why I have given this much of levels, because we can't predict how much bank nifty will fell down or how much bank nifty will go up. So I'm giving 1000 points as a target like that. So you can grab whatever profit you got and don't wait till it reaches 1000 points, 500 points, 400 points. Wait, catch the points, whatever you got, 100 points, 50 points, 200 points, 150 points. Catch that, close the trade and exit. Yeah, and be happy. Don't lose your capture. So now let me share the Nifty options for tomorrow. So once Nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14,640, you can buy the strike price of 14,600 CE. Once the Nifty 50 has crosses this level, which is of 14,540, you can buy the strike price of 14,550 PE. Okay, so Nifty options for tomorrow would be 14,550 PE and 14,600 CE. These are the Nifty options for tomorrow. So be stick to the levels. Whenever it was closed, then only you can take the trade. So now let me share the bank nifty options for tomorrow. So once the bank nifty has crosses this level, which is of 32,300, you can buy the strike price of 32,300 CE. Once the bank nifty has crosses this level, which is of 31,950, you can buy the strike price of 32,000 PE. Okay, so our bank nifty options for tomorrow would be 32,000 PE and 32,300 CE. These are the bank nifty options for tomorrow. And one more thing, if the gap up was happened above this level, then wait till it crosses this level, and at the same time, if the bank nifty has opened as a gap down below this level, wait till it crosses this level, then only you can take the buy call, sell call here. Like the same way, if Nifty 50 has opened as a gap up above this level, wait till it crosses this level, then only you can take the buy call here. And at the same time, once the Nifty 50 has crosses this has opened as a gap down level below this level, then wait till it crosses this level, then only you can take the sell call here. And here from 14,450, there may be chance of getting reversal. You must be very careful here. And here also from 31,450 for 31,400. So there may be chance of getting the reversal of trend here, so you must be very careful whenever you are trading in the market. Okay, hope you guys noted on these levels. I request you to please replay this video if you get confused, and be strict to the levels which was given in the video, and note down the levels, stick to the levels, and take the profit whatever you got and exit. And always please put the stop loss for every order which you are taking in every trading day. It will save your capture. Okay, thank you, thanks for understanding. And I always request you to, if you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your network in the Facebook group and WhatsApp group, and please refer this video to them. It will be very helpful for them. Thank you so much. Bye, see you.